Hey friends! Let's dive into the exciting world of reading. Come on! Reading is always fun.
Fan. Can you please say fan? The boy and his grandmother make a paper fan together. Fan. Van. Can you please say van? The children went for a picnic. In the van. Van. Pan. Can you please say pan? My mom cooks the vegetables in a pan. Pan. Man. Can you please say man? A man is hiking up a steep mountain. Man.